Hello friends, this is Happy Health and channel, and I am Dr. Jyoti here to explain the approach of a disease, a type of unknown, invisible disease which is generally non-known to many, and so many of have never heard of it. So I am here for the awareness, for the information, as well as for the care and cure. I am here to explain about this unknown, invisible, but found everywhere, called ITP. ITP is called idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura disease. It's a type of bleeding disorder of low platelet, and because of low platelet, the normal level from a healthy person, there is a tendency of bleeding, easy bleeding at the site of injuries, either any injury, any bleeding which is easily happen on a slight injury, and many times during or after surgical interventions. It's a kind of complication also, a condition also, where our body and the person who is having this problem have the tendency of easy bleeding, easy and early bleeding by a injury. Generally, we all have a clotting phenomena to stop the blood loss at the injury site by our normal phenomena of self-protection. But in this disease, the phenomena of clotting gets disturbed, and this leads to many complications, and if associated with any disease, then it can create organ failure also, or any emergency critical condition also of any affected person. So it is not very known to many, and worldwide millions of people are affected every year with this disease. And this September month is mainly for the awareness of this ITP disease, which is now called immune thrombocytopenia, because there is dysregulation of immune system. In these patients of ITP, generally the immune system is disturbed. So the platelets of the blood cells are destructed, which are very needed at the time of clotting when any injury happens, for the protection. But because of low platelet, in this type of patient, complications happens and may create emergency or critical conditions because of low platelet. Many times these type of conditions, which is also a type of disease and it is also a type of condition having a low platelet. It may be found in many other diseases as a condition, or it is as a manifestation or as a symptom of low platelet than normal level. Its normal level is 1.5 lakh to 4.5 or 4, but if it is less than this, it is thrombocytopenia. And ITP is a kind, it is a type of thrombocytopenia which is affected at our immune system level. So, as I told, million people are affected worldwide, and even in India 42,000 people each year are affected with this immune thrombocytopenia or ITP. And the worst thing of this disease is it is generally asymptomatic, causing just simple symptoms like many times like fatigue, nausea, sometimes headache, but if these are recurrent fatigue, recurrent nausea, any recurrent early exhaustion or daily recurrent discomforts, and many times depressive disorders are also because of this. And it is very important for the awareness of this disease because it is growing than before, and it is not known to many. So please do share to more and more for saving people, to whole world, for the million blessings. And it is also it is very important, and because this is also included in many national health program also in many countries like Brazil, Chile, Mexico, India, Pakistan, Switzerland, and many. So please do share to more and more people for saving lives and for the safe, happy, healthy life. So no critical or severe conditions may appear in life, and this is the worst condition. What is worst? This is the worst condition of this disease is generally asymptomatic if the platelet is around 40 to 50,000, but if it is lower than 10,000 or 20,000, it may and it can be symptomatic as manifestation of easy bruising, bleeding, and severe complaints. And then we have to seek emergency life care management. And if this disease is present, it may disturb the whole body as a whole, and it may cause many organ failure even